I like the beautiful green chilies as well. 300 টাকা কিলো হয়ে গেছে।
পাতলা মুরগি ঝোল, পাতলা মুরগি ঝোল নাকি পাতলা ঝোলের মুরগি? New personalized vlog day for me. Overcast conditions, raining. It shouldn't surprise me or any of you anymore. Want to find out where we are going? Keep watching. As I was telling you guys, I ran again a little bit of a competition last night on Food Spa, the Facebook group, because I was out of places to cover. I've been covering a lot of biryani places of late, so I wanted something new this time around, and I was very confused. So I thought I will ask the members in the group. It just added on to my confusion because there were a lot of suggestions from people. I think we crossed 300, 350 by last night. So that all the more confused me because I was spoiled for choice. There were a lot of very good options there. Some of it which I would like to mention, there was Mehvesh who mentioned that I should do something covering about the Bengali culture. So that was the right thing which he pointed out. And Arunava had given me a call earlier this morning. He has suggested that we should go to 6 Ballygunge Place. That was something which was in my list from a long time. For a vlog, of course, I visit the place a lot of times. But yes, so I thought today is a very fine day. I've been having a lot of biryani of late, so why not have something Bengali? We can see if they have the buffets on, we can try that. If not, we can definitely go for the a la carte as well. So I'll be joined by Arunava. He is one of the founding members of Food Spa. And we would be accompanied by his lovely wife Adrita as well. So today is a weekend vlog. I don't know when this is going to be uploaded, but this is going to be shot on a Sunday. It's a weekend vlog and I'll be with another couple this time around. Last week I was with Furkan as well as Mehndi, and this week it is time for Adrita as well as Arunava's. Thank you, Raju.
Okay, sir.
It was a good experience traveling with you. Right, guys, so I have arrived at 6 Ballygunge Place, which is their first outlet at 6 Ballygunge Place. That's the address as well. And this is very close to Ballygunge Phadi. It was approximately a 10 minutes drive from my place, which costed around 94 rupees. So that's around 100 bucks. This is the mansion which they have. I'm going to quickly take you guys inside. This, followed by a temperature check, followed by a shoe cover. I'll put my shoe inside. Inside. Right, so guys, we are joined by Arunava as well as Adrita. Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome, first vlog of yours with Food Spa. Decided Arunava that we're going to skip starters because Bengali means main course. So what are the options which we are contemplating right now?
So we are looking for one mutton option,
Okay.
one seafood, maybe
Chingri, please.
Chingri
MalaiCurry.
or, yeah,
Acto.
Ilish or Malaikari, and one chicken option.
Yes. So what are
So,
we?
so I was quite regular in this place. Last time when I came, I had Mangsho jhol, which is a patla Mangsho jhol.
Great. I think we should order that. মানে এত কষা মাংস খেয়ে খেয়ে আমরা একঘেয়ে হয়ে গেছি. Let's go for that.
Looking forward to actually trying this Dhakai Pura Mangsho.
Acha, that is mutton, right?
Yeah.
That is mutton.
So let's go for a Dhaka Pura Mangsho, which is mutton.
Bangladeshi cuisine.
হ্যাঁ, তো চিকেনটা আমরা একটু পাতলা ঝোলের কিছু করি। Should we?
Chicken we can have this Murgi jhol.
Murgi jhol. Perfect. I think we'll call for the. Are you ready to place the order? Yes.
Yeah.
have our first. We said we won't go for starters, but Adrita has somehow convinced us to. So we've got Loochi as well as Thakai Pora Mangsho. This is a very rich and a very kosha version of a mangsho, which is Bangladeshi style Dhaka. Anything which comes from Bangladesh has to be kosha. And this is the Pora Loochi. So I'm going to take one of this. And I'm going to take one piece of mangsho. If you can just, yes. I'll take the first bite from this. There you can see this is totally fat. So I don't know why this is given to customers, because this has just this amount of meat and everything else is fat. So I'm going to complain to them and I'm going to try to get this replaced. But since we're shooting, I'll just make do with whatever little I have. This is my first bite. Wow. Both the Loochi as well as the meat is amazingly soft and amazingly tasty. Just the fact that the piece is not good. So if I complain and if I get it replaced, I'm going to mention that to you. And if they don't, I'm going to mention that to you as well. So this is my replaced piece of meat.
Actually, Garam Loochi, Kosha Mangsho, I guess this is an excellent combination. It generally goes with a late Sunday breakfast or a early lunch.
Our camera
Even you can have it in the evening.
camera Arunava is very camera shy. Suddenly, I don't know why.
No, yes, I am. Excellent. See, when you think of Ballygunge Place, it's all about the taste.
Absolutely. Right, so we have Murgi chol over here. We have the Kaju Kishmish Pulao. It's pretty something new. There is my favorite MalaiCurry. This has to be there whenever I'm at a Bengali restaurant. And your steamed rice. So I'll start with the Murgi chol first. Ekটু পোলাও নেবো আমি এখান থেকে get hold of the chingri. So yes. So let's start with the Murgi chol. It's very soft. It comes off as you can see. It's a very homely preparation. So I'll take this along with a little bit of aloo. It is exactly as the name suggests, it's patla. Very subtle like the taste of it. It's not very rich. So if you're looking for something after a very rough week, or by rough I mean a very rich week, like the one which I've had with a lot of biryani and everything, this is an amazing option if you're looking for something very subtle, very Bengali, homely food. Let's give you a review of the MalaiCurry first. This is my favorite. I mean, duto piece niche kintu MalaiCurry. Alright. This is inside. Chingri porimanta anything cook but I love the color of this. This looks very rich. My favorite food. Wow. Although the gravy is a little dilute, I would want it to be more creamy. But the fish, the chingri is amazing. It's one of the best you will get and you should definitely give this one a try. A big thumbs up. Adrita is done. Adrita, how did you like the food?
I thought it was awesome.
Which one did you like in particular? Yes.
I love the mutton one.
Absolutely, the mutton was amazing.
I had it with Loochi and Pulao.
Absolutely. And what do you think about the MalaiCurry, Arunava?
Yes, it should have been more creamy. Pieces are good, soft and succulent, but yes, a creamy gravy would have made it better. Apart from all this, I like the condiments. Gondana jalebi was one of my favorite. I guess a lot of Bengali people like it. It's juicy, it goes with everything. with a flat gravy also. I like the beautiful green chilies as well. 300 taka kilo hoye gache. Whenever they are serving it, I'm liking it.
You have a special respect
Yes.
for those places, right?
Yes, of course, I do.
This is the Gondoraj Lassi, again a very popular drink over here. Wow, it's refreshing. Again, it's Gondoraj, like Arunava says, that like we Bengalis love everything Gondoraj. So it's refreshing, it's got the right balance, it's not overly salty, not overly sweet. It's a very good option. I wish they gave it in a bigger glass because this is somehow looking a little compromised, but it sure tastes very good. I am almost done, and Arunava is enjoying he's enjoying all the 4 heads actually. So Adrita and I don't have head of a prawn, and Arunava seems to be enjoying them.
I love it.
What do you like about it? Isn't it a waste?
It's very juicy. First of all, see, it's a very expensive seafood. Nothing should go waste. If you actually chew down the head, it gives you a subtle taste. All the juices are over here. Yeah, but it's less meat. Yes, less meat, but more taste.
Finally, what are you guys sipping on to?
It's Ampura Shorbo.
Okay.
And it's really nice, refreshing.
Yeah, it's refreshing.
And light and something that is helping us digest.
Yes, they have used tamarind as well.
Okay.
A good portion of tamarind, which is actually helping us in digesting the food that we had.
Finally, Arunava, how's the baked mihidana with malai on top?
Well, served hot. Mihidana is sweet. I guess it's a bit too sweet.
Okay.
And there's a fragrance. I don't know. It's I guess camera joy.
Okay. Is that
Overall,
overpowering?
yes, it is. It is overpowering a bit. But overall, it's okay. It's not great. It's nothing great.
But they're charging only 125, so I think
So it's value
keeping
for
that
money.
in mind,
Yes,
absolutely.
it's value for money, but nothing great.
Alright. Right guys, so we are done with our lunch at 6 Ballygunge Place. I'm going to quickly go out because there's music over here. We loved the Mangsho as well as the Loochi. The MalaiCurry was good too. I just wanted the gravy to be a little thicker. That would have been really nice. The Pulao and the rice were good too. The chicken, all they tasted very good. What I would recommend them is going for smaller pieces. Even if you're giving the same quantity, the same grams, if you cut it into smaller pieces, it's easier to eat, and even the meat will be cooked in a better way. The dessert was also pretty good. The drinks, I liked my drink, which was the lassi, the Gondoraj lassi. They liked their drinks too, so that was also very good. Hospitality was good too. The ambience is really nice. So it's value for money. Our bill came up to 2,200, which is absolutely fine for the quantity and the quality of the food which we've eaten. So overall, it was a very good experience at 6 Ballygunge Place. This is located at 6 Ballygunge Place, which is very near to Ballygunge Fadi. And yes, so this was us, me, Arunava, as well as Adrita, enjoying a lunch, a weekend lunch at 6 Ballygunge Place. Until next time, this is us wrapping up. Cheers.
আরে কি হলো স্টার্ট হয়ে গেছে
হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে, আই ক্যান এডিট ইট।
আচ্ছা
একটু দূরে যাও, খাবার চলে এসেছে না দূরে।
না ঠিক আছে পারফেক্ট
পাতলা মুরগির ঝোল, পাতলা মুরগির ঝোল নাকি পাতলা ঝোলের মুরগি?
পাতলা মুরগির ঝোল
मतलब तो मुर्गी बस पतला।
কি ছিল এটা মুরগির পাতলা ঝোল
চশমা ভুল করে খুলে দিয়েছি। না না, that doesn't matter.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please do share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe to Foodspa's YouTube channel. Cheers.